Want to get a smooth hairdo? Put a balloon on your head. I'll have to trim the balloon, but the prank's worth it. Look, do you like my pink and smooth head? I wonder why this life hack doesn't work. Mr. Bin and his freaky gadgets are back on air. My dear viewers, are you thirsty but you don't want to get your amazing mustache wet? Mr. Bin has everything covered. This is a mug with a mustache protector. Make a mustache out of polymer clay. Bake it following the package instructions. Attach the mustache to the top of the mug. Oh wow! My mustache definitely needs a mug like this. Here, Harry babe, this is for you. Ooh! Thanks, Mr. Bin! Now I can forget about milk mustaches. I'm all dry. Do you want to have skinny legs just like those chicks from Instagram? And you don't like your own legs? Mr. Bin is sneaking to the rescue. You don't need plastic surgery when I have these special stockings for you. Trust me, your legs will look super skinny in them. Try it on. Pull thick black stockings onto a spray can and paint a chicken leg. Apply a few layers of paint. Let each layer dry well. There you go! I told you! You look exactly like a classy chick! Well, chicken, wanna dance? Mr. Bin's filming schedule is very tight, but he always has time to take a break and feed the pigeons. Mr. Bin is so generous! That's it! Enough! The pigeons ate too much anyway. It's time for me to have my own snack. Where's my portable sandwich butter? Thoroughly clean a glue stick tube. Melt butter in a microwave. Pour it into the tube and refrigerate it. Attach a label. Here it is, a butter stick for a quick snack, wherever and whenever you want. Oh gosh! These pigeons have some nerve! Get away, you fat birds! Mr. Bin will sue you! What a good morning! I'm gonna have a tasty breakfast. Some tea! And… oh no! A spider! Stop screaming like that! Mr. Bin and his freaky gadgets are here to help. Please, look at these fly swatter slippers. Make a hole in the back of a slipper sole using an awl. Stick a telescopic pointer into the hole. Do the same with the other slipper. The instructions for these slippers are super simple. Expand the fly swatter as much as you need and swat the hateful bug. Get out of my kitchen! How did you get in here? What a maniac! Don't even try coming back into my house. I don't like the selfies I just took at all. Oh, my smile! What should I do? Mr. Bin and his freaky gadgets already did everything for you. Do you want $1 million smile? My chips are the perfect size. Cut a smile out of a chip package and put it on your teeth. Wow! Beautiful! This smile is better than any filter. Thanks! You're welcome! Mr. Bin will never steer you wrong. Are a remote control and your phone your best friends? Then this new gadget from Mr. Bin is perfect for you. Do you struggle to find all your gadgets in the morning? I can relate. Mr. Bin is already here to help you out. Today is your lucky day. I'm giving you a gadget headband. Hot glue a piece of the hook side of Velcro to a long strip of the loop side of Velcro so you can close it like this. Hot glue a little piece of hook Velcro to a remote control and attach the remote control to the strip. With this band, you will always have all your most important things with you. Just fasten it, and you will never lose anything again. And we need to go. Mr. Bin has other appointments. Unbelievable! It actually works! Do you want to read a book and snack at the same time? You need a third hand. Or Mr. Bin and his freaky gadgets. Bonjour, honey! I have something for you. This is a portable snack bowl. Hot glue snap fasteners to a strip of felt so you can attach a bracelet. Glue a light bulb to the center of the bracelet on the outside. Voila! This bowl just can't wait to be on your delicate hand. Put it on. Au revoir! Oh, what a man! Just like the character in my book. This is really useful. A book and a bowl on one hand? Not bad. Do you want to order sushi? What will you be eating it with? Regular chopsticks? No way! Mr. Bin won't let that happen. Regular chopsticks are a thing of the past. I recommend my own invention. These are chopstick headphones. Chew some rice and listen to twice at the same time. I knew you'd like it. This combo sushi music gadget is pretty cool. You've been working on your computer for 5 hours now, and your eyes are drier than the Sahara? Time to take a break. And here's our amazing Mr. Bin with his freaky gadgets. Don't resist. Mr. Bin knows what he's doing. These eye drop glasses will help you take care of the drought in your eyeballs. Take glasses with plastic lenses and prick a hole in the center using the tip of a hot glue gun. Make holes in silicone suction cups the same way. Glue the cups to the lenses so the holes match up. Put the glasses on and drip eye drops straight into the funnels on the glasses. How useful! This brilliant invention is just one of the patents of Mr. Bin and his marvelous assistant. Thanks for your attention. We are off to save more lives. Wow! I didn't just imagine that, right? It looks like you really like eating. Oh, baby! Is something wrong? Your belly won't let you scratch your elegant leg? Mr. Bin and his freaky gadgets will solve all your problems. Who do we have here? Is it a boy? Nah, it's a pizza. I'm proud to present this multifunctional body scratcher. Oh, can I brush my hair with it? Sure! This universal scratcher will also help you scratch the parts of your body that are hard to reach. And you should cut down on gluten. Soon, you'll be able to reach your feet all by yourself. You don't have anything to eat your healthy cornflakes with? No big deal. Mr. Bin and his freaky gadgets are ready to help. Here's a spoon for people who want to lose weight. Heat a utility knife over a candle and cut a plastic spoon. Take another plastic spoon and glue the cut piece to the edge like this. Mr. Bin, this product is defective. I can't get any cereal with this spoon. That's the point. Less food, less calories. You wanted to spend your evening scrolling through Instagram? That's not happening. Mr. Bin and his freaky gadgets are back, and better than ever. Don't distract me! What's all this? Pistachios? How messy! Shells all over the place? For Saturday nights, we recommend a glass of wine. And here it is, hanging around your neck. Put a leather ribbon onto a wine glass. Insert another ribbon crosswise. The ends of the ribbon shouldn't cross. Glue the end of the ribbon into a loop. Put carabiners into the two ribbons and join them with another long ribbon. It's simple! Shell your pistachios and put the shells into the glass on your neck. It's useful, neat, and classy. Do you like Chupa Chups? Then you need to know the right way to use them. Don't leave a naked lollipop without a special Chupa Chups case. What the? Make a hole in a ping pong ball with the tip of a hot glue gun. Cut the ball in half with a utility knife. Coat it with silver spray paint. Hot glue snap fasteners to both sides of the ball. Join it with a button fastener on top. Hot glue a leather loop. Put in a Chupa Chups. This is Mr. Bin, sweetheart, and his freaky gadgets. A lollipop without a case is a dangerous weapon. It could get tangled in your hair and pick up a lot of germs. So Mr. Bin recommends to always protect your candy with a special case. Use it! You're welcome! Did you like our funny gadget ideas? Then comment below and tell us which weird gadget you like the most. A lollipop case, glasses for eye drops, or chicken stockings? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so that you don't miss new hilarious life hacks from Troom.